Nestled in the heartland of India, Khaired is a small town in the state of Uttar Pradesh. This quaint town, with its rich history and cultural heritage, offers a unique blend of the old and the new. As you wander through its narrow lanes, you can almost feel the pulse of a bygone era, where traditions and modernity coexist harmoniously. It lies about 40 kilometers from the bustling city of Aligarh. The journey to Khaired is a scenic one, with lush green fields and picturesque landscapes accompanying you along the way. The road to Khaired is dotted with small villages and hamlets, each with its own story to tell. Khaired is a place where time seems to move a little slower. The pace of life here is unhurried, allowing you to take in the simple pleasures of rural living. In the bustling markets you can find local vendors selling fresh produce, handmade crafts and traditional garments. The people of Khaired are warm and welcoming, always ready to share a smile or a story. The town is known for its agricultural roots and peaceful atmosphere. The fertile land around Khaired supports a variety of crops, including wheat, rice and sugarcane. Farming is not just an occupation here, it's a way of life. The sight of farmers tending to their fields at sunrise is a testament to the hard work and dedication that goes into sustaining this agrarian community. Khaired offers a glimpse into the traditional Indian countryside. The village scenes are reminiscent of a simpler time, where community and family are at the heart of daily life. Traditional activities such as pottery, weaving and folk music are still practiced with great enthusiasm. The vibrant festivals and cultural events held throughout the year add to the charm of this idyllic town. Whether you're exploring the rustic landscapes or engaging with the local community, Khaired promises an experience that is both enriching and unforgettable.
The landscape around Khaired is dominated by vast stretches of farmland. These expansive fields stretch as far as the eye can see, creating a picturesque and serene environment that is both beautiful and bountiful. The fertile soil and favorable climate conditions make this region ideal for agriculture, allowing farmers to cultivate a wide variety of crops. The sight of these fields, with their neatly arranged rows and vibrant colors, is a testament to the hard work and dedication of the local farming community. These fields are the backbone of the local economy. Agriculture is not just a way of life here, it is the lifeblood of the community. The farmers of Khaired work tirelessly from dawn to dusk, tending to their crops with care and precision. Their efforts ensure a steady supply of fresh produce, which is essential for the sustenance of the local population. The close-knit farming community shares knowledge and resources, fostering a spirit of cooperation and mutual support. Farmers here cultivate a variety of crops throughout the year. The diversity of crops grown in Khaired is impressive, ranging from staple grains to a variety of fruits and vegetables. This diversity not only provides nutritional benefits to the local population, but also helps in maintaining soil health and reducing the risk of crop failure. The farmers employ traditional farming techniques passed down through generations, as well as modern agricultural practices to enhance productivity and sustainability. Wheat and rice are staple crops, painting the fields in shades of green and gold with the changing seasons. The sight of golden wheat swaying in the breeze and lush green rice paddies is a visual delight. These crops are not only crucial for local consumption, but also contribute significantly to the region's economy through trade. The changing colors of the fields with the seasons reflect the cyclical nature of farming and the continuous effort required to sustain agricultural production. You will also find fields of sugarcane, a major cash crop in the region. Sugarcane cultivation is labor-intensive, requiring careful management and timely harvesting. The tall, sturdy stalks of sugarcane stand as a symbol of the farmer's resilience and hard work. The crop is processed locally to produce sugar and other byproducts, providing employment opportunities and contributing to the local economy. The presence of sugarcane fields adds to the agricultural diversity of Khaired, showcasing the region's ability to produce a wide range of crops.
Khaired experiences a typical North Indian climate. Summers are hot and dry, with temperatures soaring high in May and June. The monsoon season arrives in late June, bringing much-needed relief from the heat. Rain transforms the landscape, breathing life into the parched earth. Winters are mild and pleasant, with cool breezes sweeping across the fields.
While Khaired might not have sprawling urban parks, it is dotted with pockets of green. These spaces provide respite from the sun and offer a place for people to connect with nature. Village groves with their ancient trees are common sights. Small ponds and water bodies add to the tranquility of the landscape. The fertile land of Khair nourishes a variety of fruit trees. This region, blessed with rich soil and a favorable climate, has been a haven for fruit cultivation for generations. The farmers here have mastered the art of growing a diverse range of fruits, each with its unique flavor and nutritional benefits. The landscape is dotted with orchards that stretch as far as the eye can see, a testament to the agricultural prowess of the local community. Mango trees with their spreading branches are a common sight. These majestic trees, with their lush green canopies, provide not only delicious fruit, but also a cool respite from the sun. The mangoes of Khair are renowned for their sweetness and juiciness, making them a favorite among locals and visitors alike. During the harvest season, the orchards come alive with activity, as workers carefully pick the ripe mangoes, ensuring that each one is handled with care to preserve its quality. The sweet aroma of ripe mangoes fills the air during the summer months. This scent is a signal to the community that the time has come to enjoy the fruits of their labor. Families gather to share mangoes, creating memories that are cherished for years. The mangoes are not only eaten fresh, but are also used to make a variety of products such as jams, pickles, and juices, adding to their versatility and appeal. Guava trees thrive in the local climate, bearing their sweet and tangy fruit. These trees are hardy and resilient, able to withstand the varying weather conditions of the region. The guavas are a source of pride for the farmers, who take great care in nurturing the trees from saplings to maturity. The fruit is enjoyed fresh, and its unique flavor makes it a popular ingredient in local dishes and beverages. These trees not only provide shade but also attract a variety of birds. The orchards of Khair are a haven for wildlife, with birds of all kinds finding refuge among the branches. Their songs fill the air, adding to the serene and picturesque environment. The presence of these birds is a testament to the healthy ecosystem that the orchards support, highlighting the harmonious relationship between agriculture and nature in this region. Khair's agricultural landscape is teeming with birds and small animals. The skies come alive with the calls of parrots, miners, and sparrows. Peacocks are a frequent sight, their iridescent feathers a flash of color against the green fields. You might also spot squirrels scampering up trees and mongooses darting through the undergrowth.
Life in Khair moves at a different pace than in the nearby cities. The air is cleaner, and the silence is broken only by the sounds of nature. People are deeply connected to the land and the rhythms of the seasons. The pace of life is slower, offering a welcome respite from the hustle and bustle of urban living.
Khair is a place where one can reconnect with nature and experience the simple joys of rural life. It's a place to wander through fields, breathe in the fresh air, and listen to the birdsong. Khair is a reminder that sometimes, the most fulfilling experiences are found in the quiet embrace of nature.